Hello everybody, how it's going? Today I'll be teaching you how to make two Facebook accounts in one phone. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure your Facebook app on your cell phone was updated, okay? And that is very important. And it's important to say that works on your iPhone or on your Android, okay? So don't worry about that. So to do that, it's very simple, okay? But you need to know you can't create two accounts with the same phone number, okay? You need to create one account using a phone number, for example, and another account in using an email, okay? That's the only way to create another Facebook account in the same device, okay? You need to use a phone number and another phone number, or using a phone number and an email, okay? And to create that another account, you just click in the three lines in the top and right side of your screen. After that, you need to scroll down and log out of that account here, okay? And after that, in the page of login, you see the option to sign in and create another account, okay? So I hope I can help with this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. See ya!